This is the perfect day trip from Dublin if you have a day to spare. You're gonna wanna rent a car and head to Galway and the Cliffs of Moher. You can also book a tour and go by bus, but if you want more flexibility and freedom, renting a car for a date was totally worth it for us. We picked up the rental at 8 a.m. and set out to Galway first, which is about 2 hours from Dublin. Galway is a harbour city on the west coast of Ireland. It's known as the festival capital of the country, so you can imagine the energy and vibes here are 10 out of 10. It's a very charming city and gives you small Irish city vibes like you see in the movies. It's small, so you can explore a lot in a few hours. Make sure to check out Irish Square, live music on Quay Street, the Latin Quarter, and definitely walk along the Salt Hill Promenade. Make sure to have a traditional Irish meal at one of the many restaurants in the center. We popped into Quay Street Kitchen and easily had the best meal we had on the trip. Highly recommend the Guinness lamb stew, thank me later. From here, it's about an hour and a half drive to the Cliffs of Moher. We were trying to catch sunset here, but you know the weather in Ireland is hit or miss, so it was quite cloudy, but it was amazing. The Cliffs of Moher have been on my bucket list for years, and they're even more majestic in real life. Honestly, it feels like a scene from Game of Thrones. Truly magical. There's a visitor center on site where you can book a tour and get more information. There's also a cafe, but we just walked along the paved pathway ourselves. Definitely do it and make sure to follow for more travel guides.